Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can move any icon to any place. As you can see, if I press and hold this icon, if I want to move it here, it will automatically change the position to the align grid. I cannot put this icon anywhere, it will automatically change the position. But if you want to be more creative and just customize your desktop, just right click it here and select view and just uncheck this align icon to grid. Just uncheck this one, and now if I want to move this one, this icon the way I want, as you can see, I can place it here and I can also place other application here the way I like. You can customize anything you would like. And if you want to go back to the previous system, just right click anywhere and go to view and select the align icon to the grid. And as you can see, the position is automatically changed and now they are moved into the right grid alignment. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video to you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.